PagingDrDad, is that what I hear? Hello, Dr. Charissa, how you doing? Sawadee krab. Sawadee krab. So, how you been, Dr. Charissa?
Doing good.
All right.
Amazing.
So, what do we have in front of us today? We have fruits.
Yeah.
We have bread and salt water.
What about bananas?
And bananas
And bread.
and bread.
And what are these?
What are we gonna make? I don't know. Do you think we can
That's
make
electricity.
electricity? Do you think we can make electricity or
Yeah,
some
you're
kind
supposed
of
to
current?
put
Out of
everything
these is-
inside of here.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you guys think we can make electricity out of these?
Yeah.
Which one do you think will work, Dr. Charissa?
Maybe this one.
Maybe the kiwi? Maybe the apple?
Maybe I touch it.
Ay, ay, ay. So, with the banana, if you put multiples together, you might can make enough electron to make electricity.
Wow.
But with the
That's
bread,
amazing.
yeah, but with the bread, I highly doubt you can make any kind of electron out of it unless you put battery hidden in there somehow. I don't think so, but there we go. You want to take a bite? We just took a bite out of electricity. And we have salt water here, Dr. Charissa, as well, right? Tastes good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, Dr. Charissa, so today we are going to try to make electricity using the copper zinc and the LED lights, as well as we're going to see if we can get this clock right here, Dr. Charissa, to work.
What is that?
Do you think we can get that clock to work using salt water?
But how?
I don't know.
Can we put it
What do
inside?
you think?
Can we put
We're
it
going to
inside?
do this one last because I
Dad,
want to
can we
figure
put
that
it
one out more.
inside?
Yeah, you can. But this LED light right here, you guys, glow
Wow.
by using the electron that's inside of here, you guys, okay? Sounds good?
Yeah, you manga.
All right. So we have,
Daddy, look what happened.
yeah, you
I don't
keep
want
taking
my
off your hat. Okay, you can take it off, leave it off. I don't care. So, Dr. Charissa, we're going to make a
That's electricity.
current out of this right here, okay? Our copper zinc stakes, okay?
Whoa.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to
nice.
take,
Daddy, I want to put that
going
one
to make a
in.
current. Huh? What was that? You want to do it? Okay. All right. So we have to make sure that we do it at a certain angle, you guys. Okay.
I
So
want to put it in there.
I'm going to help you with this one, Dr. Charissa. Okay. So I'm going to put one right here. Okay, Dr. Charissa.
Whoa, the apple.
You put the other one right, kind of close beside it, but don't want it too. Dr. Charissa, we are going to make some electricity. We're going to make a battery out of this. What you think, right? All right. So we're going to turn this clock on. Okay. This is a digital low frequency at all clock. Yeah. And we do have a light. We're going to ask you guys to help us get that current going. What you think, Dr. Charissa, right? Yeah. So, Dr. Charissa, now that we have our copper and our zinc stakes inside of the apple, do you think we can make a battery or electricity out of this apple? Yeah? I don't know. Let's try, Dr. Charissa. So we're going to put this negative pulse right here, alligator clamp, to the zinc pulse. Okay, Dr. Charissa? And then we're going to add our positive to the copper. Okay? Yes. I know you don't believe it's going to work, eh? What you think? Do you think it's going to work? Yeah? So we're going to set it up. Are you ready, Dr. Charissa? Are you trying to, you think the light's going to, she thinks the light's going to start working randomly. You think the light's going to start working? So, Dr. Jerissa, if you will hold this piece right here, just hold this piece, and I'm going to clamp it on, and let's see if we can get this clock to work. So I'm going to clamp the negative to the blue poles right here. Yes, Dr. Jerissa, and make sure they're not touching, you guys, okay? And then we're going to connect the red one to the red one. Let's see if we got a current. Let's see, is the clock on? The clock is on. Can you guys see the clock's on? So I'm going to disconnect it so you guys can see the clock being off. Without the current. See, the clock is off, right? What happened? So, electrons is inside this apple enough to make a small current to start this light, Dr. Jerissa. Ready for McDonald's?
Yeah.
Careful, don't fall. So, we got the clock to work. You saw that, Dr. Jerissa? See, guys? This is how it looks without it being plugged in. You want to take it off? Okay, I'll put it back on, Dr. Jerissa. All right. Is it on? Can you guys see? Oh, you're trying to set the clock? We'll do that later. We just want to show them that the clock was able. We was able to have enough currency to start this low frequency clock. Right? So, you guys, do you guys think we can do the same thing for the kiwi?
Yeah.
Let's see. So I'm just gonna disconnect. Disconnect. Let's see. Let's see, Dr. Jerissa. Do you think the clock will work? Let's see. Is it gonna work? No. So, with the kiwi, it's gonna need more copper and zinc. Okay. Yeah. To get it to build enough electrons to actually start this low currency clock. Or you can add more kiwis, Dr. Jerissa. You want to touch it? Go ahead. Go first. And another thing, do you think the salt water would start it? The salt water? What about our hands? Do you think our hands would start it? Yeah? Let's see. So, most people don't know that there's enough electricity in our body to start to have a current. Dr. Jerissa, look at the clock. Look at the clock. Look at the clock. Is it on?
Yes.
And that's my hand. Turn it towards them so they can see. You guys see? Is it still on, Dr. Jerissa? Let me see. Let me see. Can I see the clock? Turn it towards me. Yeah, it's still on. Turn it towards them one more time. Do you guys see? This is just with my hands. And if I take my hands off, let's see, does the clock cut off? It cuts off. Nice, eh? Let's try it in the salt water, Dr. Jerissa. Do you think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Do you think it's gonna work? I think it's gonna work. Just make sure it don't connect. So salt water actually have electrons in it as well, right, Dr. Jerissa?
Yeah.
Oh, don't let them touch. Touch already. So you guys can see the clock is on. That's salt water. Yep. And you also can use sort of the same setup with only more copper and zinc stakes to start up light, Dr. Jerissa. But we're not going to do that. We're going to save that test for you guys. And you guys shows us how yours look. Right, Dr. Jerissa? Yeah? So with this test, you guys learn about electrons, Dr. Jerissa, and how to make a current to power up a low frequency watch or wall clock. Oh, right, Dr. Jerissa, we use salt water and we use an apple and kiwi. Sounds good?
Kiwi didn't work.
No, kiwi didn't work, but we can make the kiwi work because it has electrons in it. Okay, you can use this same project with lemon and lime. They can't see you, Dr. Jerissa. They can't see you. You gotta sit up. Whatever. Thank you, guys.
Bye, I'm going to McDonald's.
She's about to go to McDonald's. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And stop what you do.
Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
All right.
Paging Dr. Dad. Paging Dr. Dad. Paging Dr. Dad. Paging Dr. Dad.